my busy bees and welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing 2 dinosaur toys and they're really wild. Yeah, and they are from a show called Camp Cretaceous. So you better watch your eyes on it and let's see what will happen. So first, we have in the containment area number 1, we have the dinosaur primal pal, Baloo. This is really ferocious. Yes, it is a carnivore. Let me show you. It eats humans. Oh no, the dinosaur, it's out of containment. It escaped. What do we do? What do we do? Whoosh! There's my primal pal. Hey there, Blue. Let's see. What you got to do to make him roar is this. You got to press his neck. Oh, that's the bite. Sorry, you have to. Like that. He makes different sounds. Like very different sounds. And if you want him to bite, you have to push his neck all the way back. So then it's like this. But then you have to push it all the way back. So then it bites like this. It is a really scary thing. Okay, so here's Primal Pal Blue. He is really having a lot of brain right now because raptors have more brain than Carnotaurus. And yes, this dinosaur, it can bite. It can wag its tail. And it can move its feet. Wait, its arms. It can't really move its feet. And yeah, it can roar like that. But to make it bite, you have to go like this. And maximum how big its mouth can reach, like how much it can open is like this. That's how much. And this is the really scary dinosaur. And it is a carnivore. That means it feasts on humans? Well, not specifically humans, Agent Chili. It feasts on meat. And now, we must tame him. And what this toy does is that it can move its neck, and it can move its tail, and it can bite, and it can make different sounds. And it can move its arms. Yep. And this is how it roars. Oh, that's the bite, that's the bite. It can do different roars. And this is how big its mouth can open. And here are more sounds. I can't show you all of them, but he makes different sounds with different times. Like this. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so 8 different sounds. And that's it about him. Now, Agent Charlie, let's put him back in his containment area. Tame him! His feet! Calm down, buddy. You'll be safe in here. Da 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 la 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 la. 1 dinosaur down. Yup. Now then, time to find the other dinosaur. Let me get my thing. This is a fierce animal. See this Carnotaurus. What? Another dinosaur escaped. And this time it's all grown. Hi there. It is a Carnotaurus. And it's fierce. It does the same thing as raptors, but it's people. This fierce animal. It's Carnotaurus, everybody. It's very wild. And let's just keep this still for one moment. It can move its arms. Tiny little arms like the T-Rex. And it can't move its feet that much. It can wag its tail a little bit. And that's all the features which this Carnotaurus has. And these are all the features which the Carnotaurus has. It can move up and down. Its feet allows it to go like this and like this. And there's a little thing over here which you can use to make him bite.
And there's a little thing that makes it bite. Jump. Okay, hopefully it won't bite you, right? Oh, why is it looking at you? Yep, I say it will. Okay, so let's see one last thing. Okay, so it usually goes like this for something. Because in real life, Carnotaurus goes like this and budges something. Like pretend there's a tree and okay. Did you see what happened? It's horns. Did you even forget it had horns?
And there's one last feature about this ferocious creature.
That's
its tail.
It can move and it makes its head. It's looking at a human.
Oh my gosh, that's kind of creepy. You should show that to the whole crowd.
Okay, now there's a human in front of it. Oh my god!
Maybe I can tame him.
Oh, and also, if you act slow, then it really allows you to tame it.
But if you try to start screaming at it, say,
Hey, I'm the boss! Carnotauruses are a little bit smart.
yeah. Okay, now then, let us have a small silly battle. First goes blue.
Scratchy scratch. Hey, Dad.
Hey,
Carnotaurus.
No, bro.
Then
Two times. Scratchy scratch. Oh no, the Carnotaurus.
Hey, are you ready to fight again?
But bro, look, it has blood. Oops, looks like those kids, they messed up the Carnotaurus. Whoa!
Oh, don't do it.
Okay, all my busy bees, I really hope you enjoyed this video. And for more such dinos like this, please like, share, and really please subscribe. And can you really please subscribe? Just for this little guy.
And for this big fella. Well, bye-bye for now.
Bye-bye.